How to install WavePad audio editor on Windows. First of all, open your browser and search for WavePad download for Windows, or go to the official NCS software website by typing www.ncas.com.au/wavepad into the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see a Download Now button. Click on it and the installer file will begin downloading automatically. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the file. Double-click on it to launch the installer. Now, review the license agreement, accept the terms, and click Next to continue. The installer will now begin copying files and setting up WavePad on your system. This usually takes a minute or two. Once the installation is finished, the app will launch automatically and you can start using it to record, edit, and enhance your audio files using the built-in tools and effects. And that's it. Now you know how to install WavePad audio editor on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.